everyone, let's see how to go to a specific cell in Excel. So first open your Excel sheet and here press the shortcut key Ctrl plus G to open go to dialog box. And here you can see the bottom side the reference option. In the reference option, just click on here and type the cell's reference. So here I type K19. K is a column name and 19 is the row number. After that, click on OK and here you can see the K19 selected. Okay, K is the column name and 19 is the row number. Okay, and you can press here the F5 to open your go to dialog box. Press the F5 and here you see the go to dialog box is open again. Okay, I close these and the second way to find the specific cell, go to the left hand side and you can see the name box. Just click on it and enter the specific cell reference. So here I enter J20, okay, and press the enter. And here you can see the J is a column name and 20 is a row number. Cell here selected. So that's it. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.